all been there before, especially as a crafter or even as a mama when a holiday is coming up and we're kind of scrambling for what to do. I feel like combining both the Glowforge and the Sublimation has been an incredible outlet. It's going to really change the course of your business and set you apart from other crafters. I just took these cutouts that I created on my Glowforge and then I sublimated on them, and I can't wait to show you guys. Guys, what is up? This is Oksana with Craft and More Design, where we talk about all things sublimation, laser machine, DIY, and the home. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Let's get started. With the Easter holiday coming up, it's a really great opportunity for you to make money as a small business owner. So I went ahead and started creating some really fun little Easter tags. And then I realized I have both the Glowforge and the laser machine, and I could totally step up my game and create something really different that will set me apart from every other crafter. Now, if you don't have one or the other, doesn't matter. You can always purchase blanks and make them. So here are some bunny options. These are just designs that I either created or found online, but you can do anything you want, like photos or words. I went to Home Depot and I bought this whiteboard. This whiteboard is literally what they use in the classroom setting. You can use dry erase markers on this or magnets. I created my template on my Silhouette Studio software, and then I set it up as a medium draft board and sent it to cut. It looks like it's just 2 minutes and 36 seconds, and that is for 5 little bunny cuts. I made it about 3.5 inches wide by about 4 inches tall, just to include the bunny ears. And 36 seconds to create 5 cuts, so it's a super fast project. And then I went ahead and set the images into my Silhouette Epson setup so that I can have those be printed out. What I ended up doing is I set the background image a little bit larger than the bunny cutout so that I didn't have to measure anything out. I like to save time where I can so that you can go ahead and just press it and make sure that you cover every single edge so there's no random white parts. And got both of my images, got the cuts, got everything ready to go. I set my heat press up to 385 degrees for 45 seconds and pressed it. So I totally just did like the dumbest move ever and forgot to flip my blank. So this is the whiteboard that I'm working with, and I ended up accidentally forgetting, but I actually like this. So I'm gonna keep it, but the next one I'm gonna flip over so you guys can actually see what it looks like. My first one was a total mess. I ended up sublimating on the back of like the actual like wood. I didn't hate it. You can sublimate on both ends, so you are not limited if you happen to mess up. After I put all of my images through and got them all heat pressed, I took them out. Make sure you are wearing gloves. I didn't. Definitely is very hot. But if you want to protect your delicate fingers, go ahead and put some heat resistant gloves on. Always use my parchment paper. I actually got this one at Costco, but you can order them on Amazon or Walmart or wherever, even the dollar store. And I always line the bottom of my heat press and the top of my image, so that way everything is protected, both my blank and the heat press. And I thought they turned out so pretty. I am extremely pleased with how these turned out. I think they are so pretty, and you can even take it a step further and offer earrings that are the same pattern. I ended up doing some car coasters that are this little wildflower spring set, just because I'm really loving these little dainty flowers right now. I think they're so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just twine these and then put them on little Easter baskets to take some pretty photos. I can show you guys the finished product. But overall, I I'm so pleased. Again, you can even take it even further by doing a little fuzzy cottontail or engraving a name. There are a lot of options that you can do. You're definitely not limited. Overall, I am extremely impressed with this whiteboard material from Home Depot. It's super cheap. It's actually a large piece that you can cut yourself or have the staff cut it for you at the Home Depot. Keep in mind, if you do have them cut it or you cut it yourself, you definitely want to have it cut to 12 by 20. That is actually what will fit inside of the Glowforge machine. And so for those of you that don't know what the Glowforge is, I actually have a video right over here that you can check out on me unboxing it and setting up the event.